Hello students, in previous video we have learned that how we can express the fractions as a division sum. So let us revise what we have learned. Suppose the given fraction is 14 upon 5 and we can express it as a division sum. So how? जो हमारा न्यूमरेटर होता है that is dividend and your divisor is your denominator is your divisor. So how can we express as a division sum? So we can write it as 14 divided by 5. So meaning of both are same. And opposite of this, if a question is given as a division sum, you can also write it as a fraction. For example, 13 divided by 2. So you can also write this as a fraction. So how? This dividend is your numerator, so 13 upon this divisor is your denominator, 2. So in this way you can express. Now today we will learn the changing fractions. Changing fractions means we will convert the improper fraction into mixed number. As you have already studied in previous worksheet also, that this question you have done, which of the following can be written as a mixed number. So in this we have learned that we can express only the improper fraction into a mixed numbers, right? हमने किया था ना ये लास्ट वर्कशीट में, वर्कशीट नंबर 5 में, कि हम सिर्फ improper fractions को ही mixed number में के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. बट हाउ, कैसे, वो हमने नहीं सीखा. दैट वी विल लर्न इन दिस टॉपिक. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट improper, so changing or converting improper fraction into mixed number, right? How we can convert improper fraction into mixed number. हमने ये तो जरूर पढ़ा था कि हम कर सकते हैं, बट हाउ, कैसे कर सकते हैं, that we will learn now. So we'll take this example again. 14 upon 5, right? This is a improper fraction, right? What are improper fraction? In which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So यहाँ पर 14 आपका greater है 5 से, तो this is a improper fraction, right? So how can we convert? What we have to do is हम इसको divide करेंगे. क्या करेंगे हम? Divide करेंगे. So we can convert this into write it as a division sum लिख सकते हैं, और अगर नहीं भी लिखना चाहो तो we can you know that this is dividend and this is divisor. So यहाँ पर हमने division sum की फॉर्म में भी लिखा है. So हम divide करके देखते हैं इसको. 14 divided by 5, right? यही होगा आपका डिवीजन सम में. अगर हम लिखते हैं तो 14 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, so उसको हम कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? 14 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, राइट? 14 upon 5 means 14 divided by 5. Now divide it. Recite the table of 5 till 14. Why 14? First digit is smaller than 5, so we have to take 2 digits. So 5 का table recite करेंगे 14 तक. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15 is greater. So 5 2s are 10, right? Subtract it. What is left is 4 and there is no digit to come down, so this is our remainder. This is our remainder, right? And this is your quotient, right? And this is your divisor, this is dividend. Is it clear? Now how can we express this as a mixed number? Very easy. आपने एक वर्ड या फॉर्म याद रखनी है, QRD। क्या याद रखना है? QRD। सो आपने मिक्स नंबर हम कैसे लिखते हैं आपको पता ही है। पहले यहाँ पर हमारा क्या होता है? नेचुरल नंबर एंड देन द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन। ऐसे ही होता है, नेचुरल नंबर एंड प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन। व्हाट इज मिक्स्ड नंबर? इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर एंड प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन। वही होता है ना मिक्स्ड नंबर। हमने लास्ट वीडियोस में डिस्कस भी किया था, टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शन में भी हमने डिस्कस किया था मिक्स्ड नंबर। A mixed number is a combination of natural number and proper fraction. So how can we write it? अब हमको एक फॉर्म याद रखनी है, मैं उसका नेम बोलता हूं QRD। क्या याद रखना है? QRD। Q यहां पर लिखेंगे, यहां पर नेचुरल नंबर की जगह Q, RD, R आपका प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन QRD। ये फॉर्म का नाम है, इसे आपने याद रखना है। Q रिप्रेजेंट्स कोशेंट, R रिप्रेजेंट्स रिमाइंडर एंड D फॉर डिवाइजर। QRD। अब यहां पर आपके पास Q भी है, R भी है और दिस इज D। D इज योर डिवाइजर, राइट? QRD। इसको आप बार बार बोलेंगे, बार हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो आपको ये लर्न हो जाएगा QRD फॉर्म। सो Q रिप्रेजेंट्स योर कोशेंट। सो Q की जगह पर आपने कोशेंट लिखना है, दैट इज 2। R की जगह पर रिमाइंडर, दैट इज 4 एंड डिवाइजर, D की जगह डिवाइजर, दैट इज 5। सो नाउ यू कैन सी हियर कि ये आपका मिक्स्ड नंबर बन गया है। Here is a natural number as well as a proper fraction. See, is this a proper fraction or not? Yes, it is. Why? Because in a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this is a mixed number. So we can represent 14 upon 5 as 2 and 4 upon 5. So now we have converted this improper fraction into mixed number. So let us take one more example, right? So 35 upon 9. This is a improper fraction. Now we have to convert this into a mixed number. So how can we convert? क्या स्टेप था हमारा? फर्स्ट हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे। डिवाइड कैसे करेंगे? यू नो, ये डिविडेंड है, डिवाइजर है। So 35 divided by 9. 35 divided by 9. So recite the table of 9 till 35 because 3 is smaller. So we have to take 2 digits. So 9, 4 is a 36 is greater. So we have to take 9 3 is a 27. Subtract it. What is left is 8. Right? ये हो गया हमारा डिवीजन। डिवीजन आपको अच्छे से आता है, हमने थर्ड में भी किया है, फोर्थ में भी हम कर चुके हैं। सो 9 3 is 27, subtract it, we get what is left is 8 and there is no digit left behind to come down. Now this is your remainder, this is your quotient and this is divisor, right? So we have to convert this into a mixed form. Mixed form को आपको क्या बताया था मैंने? QRD फॉर्म। QRD इसको आपने लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको जस्ट लर्न करना है। ये मैं इसलिए लिख रहा हूँ सो दैट आपको क्लियर हो जाए। QRD फॉर्म। QRD फॉर्म में हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Q रिप्रेजेंट्स कोशेंट। व्हाट इज योर कोशेंट हियर? 3 is your quotient, then remainder is your 8 and your divisor is 9. So you can see here this is a natural number and this is a proper fraction. So combination of natural and a proper fraction is called mixed number. So here we have converted improper fraction into a mixed number and this is a proper fraction, 8 upon 9, numerator is smaller. So in this way we can convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Now we have worksheet number 7. question number 1. Change into mixed number. Change into mixed number. So A part is 4 upon 3, right? 4 upon 3 is a improper fraction and we have to change it into mixed number. Mixed number में change करना है. So what we have to do? In rough, we will divide it, और फेयर में भी आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. Divide it, तो यह बन जाएगा आपका 4 divided by 3, right? 4 divided by 3. अब आपने क्या करना है? 3 1 जा 3, subtract हो गया, 1 is left. Now QRD form. This is Q, R, and this is your divisor D. Now write down QRD form. Q, R, D. So what is your quotient? That is 1. Remainder is again 1 and divisor is your 3. So 1 and 1 upon 3. 1 and 1 upon 3. So this is the answer. 4 upon 3 can be written as 1 and 1 upon 3. B part, 41 upon 10. Divide it. 41 divided by 10. So 10 4s are 40. Subtract it. 1. What is left is 1. Again QRD form. So Q, quotient. Quotient is your 4. R is your 1. And D is your 10. So 4 and 1 upon 10. I think it is clear to you how to convert. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to divide. How to divide? You know कि जो आपका numerator होता है, that is dividend, and your denominator is your divisor. So divisor से हम divide करेंगे. Divide करने के बाद जो आपका quotient, remainder and जो divisor है, उससे हम mixed number की form में लिख देंगे, QRD form में. Let us take one more example. C part, 11 upon 4. So divide it. 11 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. Because 4 3s are 12 is greater than 11. So 4 2s are 8. Subtract it. 3. What is left is 3. Now quotient, remainder and divisor. So QRD form. QRD. So write down 2, quotient, remainder is 3 and divisor is 4. So this is a natural number, combination of natural number and proper fraction. So this is a mixed number. So in this way we can change improper fraction into mixed number. So I have done a few parts of question number 1, that is A, B and C part. Still 6 parts are left. Try to solve these remaining parts because practice is very important and practice से ही आपको maths आएगा. So do practice of these questions, change into mixed number. Thank you.